Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we will from group 9. We we will present about mixed method, and before we are going to the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri and my partners are Muhammad Farid Sihabudin, Ahmad Fahrizza, and Nofta Victory. The first point is defining mixed method research. Mixed method is kind of study that when the research process is combining the both quantitative and qualitative research in a one case. Mixed method research combines quantitative and qualitative research method in different ways, with each approach adding something to the understanding of the phenomenon. If missing method offer a better understanding of the research problem than a single method design, then it is worth considering.
B. Classifying mixed methods. In the research field, there is continuing discussion regarding clarification of mixed method research in relationship to monomethod research, multi-method research, and mixed model research. In a monomethod research design, one method, either qualitative or quantitative, with corresponding data collection, analysis, and accompanying procedures, is used to answer the research question. Multi-method research employs different types of data collection methods. Mixed model research, in which mixing of qualitative and quantitative approaches occurs in all stages of a study. Formulation of the research questions, data collection procedures and research method, interpretation of the results, and final inferences, or across stages of a study.
Okay, now for my turn, I would like to discuss about the purposes for conducting mixed method. The first is triangulation method. The triangulation method be the most common reason why researchers incorporate mixed method to their research. The researcher looking for the convergence data to increase their finding credibility by gathering with all the method in the research. In the end of triangulation, uh, it will be strengthened and enriched study conclusion. Also means that make this mixed method become more acceptable. The next is complementary. The second reason is mixed method is complementary. That make the researchers are enabled to gain more knowledge of the research problem, and also enable researchers to clarify a given research result. And the third is total understanding. The third is mixed method helps the researcher to have total understanding of the research problem and how it is worked by creating a synergistic effect which the result from one method help to develop the other method. And the fourth is initiation. The fourth reason is the initiation. The initiation is the case means that commonly the researcher finding uh, raises question and contradiction, so they initiate a new study. With expectation, it will add new insight because it might be can reveal a truly new research topic and generate new study. And the last is expansion. The last is expansion. It is intended to expand the range of the research, so it will be born detailed finding that helps researchers in a future to use various methods to gain new research questions. That's all. Continued by the next presenter.
Okay, D makes method design. Concurrent design is both qualitative and quantitative data are collected separately but at approximately the same time. Concurrent triangulation is occurs when qualitative and quantitative data are collected and analyzed separately but at the same time, with the finding converging in the conclusion in order to answer an overarching research question. Parallel design is those in which data are collected and analyzed separately, similar to concurrent design. Sequential sequential design is data that are collected and examined in one stage inform the data collected in the next phase. Fully mixed data, fully mixed design, or fully integrated design involve mixing of the qualitative and quantitative approaches in an interactive way throughout the study. Conversion design is involved in transforming data, which means that data collected in one form, example, numbers or text, are converted to a different form and then analyzed. Embedded design is one form of data support a second form of data with, within a single study. A. E. Advantage and disadvantage mixed method. Mixed method research born are a more complete understanding of the case, and there are more advantages about mixed method, but also is some disadvantage and advantage. Advantage A makes the relationship that found between two variables are more clear. B. The research the researcher area of exploration about relationship between variable become bigger, deeper, and larger. C. Validates the cross relationship that discovered between variable. Disadvantage A. It took a long time in using mixed method study. B. Not every researcher master both of qualitative and quantitative research. C. Expensive. It is cost more money than conduct just only qualitative or just quantitative research. Okay, thank you. Enough for our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.